The third part of the life cycle of the monarch butterfly is called the pupa stage, where the caterpillar transforms itself into a chrysalis, which provides a safe environment for the developing butterfly. It is during this stage that the butterfly develops wings, its legs, and its organs. And you know that it's almost time because the caterpillar will straighten from its J position, and then you'll see the antennae just go limp. And then you'll start to see the skin split. It wildly spin to get rid of the skin. It is so amazing to watch this caterpillar transform into a chrysalis. But while it is in the process of changing, you can see the struggle of the caterpillar. It's like, a mom giving birth, like push, push, push. I was watching it. I was kind of egging the caterpillar to push, push, push. It only takes a few minutes for the chrysalis to form, but it will take a few hours for it to completely dry.